Okay, just got our package in from Tethrd. Tree saddle. Keep going. You're almost there. I already had the tape cut open, but I haven't opened this yet. And I have no clue all the stuff that comes with it. I just know it was cool. This is the lineman's belt. It's 11 millimeter. Freaking huge carabiners on it. I got big hands too, so that's a big carabiner. Hey. How do you open this box? There it is. The Phantom. This is your saddle. This is my first time ever seeing one too. More rope that I don't know what does just yet. I can't remember what these buckles are called, but I just know they're really good and heavy duty. Everything looks cool too. Phantom on the butt. Nollie for hanging packs. What was this kit called? Well, this was the starter kit? Or?
Yeah, it was just a custom build kit. But it has everything, you just pick everything.
Okay. 11 millimeter tether as well. Another big carabiner. That slip knot thing, I don't know what it's called. I'll learn more about it. Never messed with one, just know I wanted it. This is the back strap.
Recliner.
The all-day back support. Yeah, it's kind of goes up here on your upper back and supports you like a chair. I heard this was a must-have from a lot of people, like Chris B and stuff. HYS strap or his strap, gear hanger, bags, bow, everything will hang from there that you don't want hanging from you. Awesome stickers. You'll probably take those from me, won't you? Sis Holler. I believe that is a must-have as well. It holds.
You can hold all your rope and stuff.
Yeah, I think you actually the rope that you pull your bow up with. You'll hang one of them in your sis hauler, or one of the sis haulers. I don't know how many come with it or what, but you'll undo it, climb up, and then you got to pull your bow up and hang your bow on your his strap, and then you'll tuck all that extra rope in this so it's not dangling around, and indicator of where you're hanging in the tree. You'll follow that. This is a Predator pack. So this holds the Predator platform. All the boxes are cool too. I just want to keep the boxes. Ow. Predator pack. I don't know how that mounts yet. I don't know if it hangs from the actual saddle.
I think it hangs from your butt by the saddle, like on the saddle.
Yeah, it's got the little.
Or it has a backpack.
G-hook. I think these are called G-hooks right here.
It's like a backpack or something.
And platform. That was all that came. Ours. tree mounting stuff. And first look at it, it is like rough, almost cast looking material. Like it's not like laser cut. Everything's kind of rough. It's definitely cast, it looks like. But it weighs nothing. And this is the big platform, right?
Mm-mm.
No, smaller platform. Strap for the tree. Another tooth. And yeah, it's kind of weird feeling. I'm probably gonna paint this. I'll paint this brown. I don't want shiny stuff up there. But yeah, it will definitely take paint. That's for sure. It's got a very rough texture to it. So it's almost made to paint. Here, you can kind of see it. It's almost sticky feeling from the texture. Cast aluminum or something. Anyway, that is it. That's all that came in our box. I don't have any climbing sticks or anything yet. I don't know whether I'm going to find a way to make this a one sticker. I don't know if that's possible. I'll mess around with stuff. If not, I'll get some sticks. So, thanks for watching.